Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode we're going to be working on 2019 Kia Sportage. We're going to be installing a roof rack for a lady that I work with, for her and her husband before they go on vacation, and they're going to need it. They just picked it up and it doesn't have a roof rack. They've had it for about a month and it's a nice looking little unit. I mean, all in all, for what it is, the SUV world. But this here's what we're going to be installing. It's a Delta, and it's the Menabo set, and I'll put any model numbers of things that I can find in the description.
Hours later. Hours later.
Alright, so they give us these little plastic inserts, and they need to be trimmed to a specific size, which is, for the Kia Sportage, 8 and 8 and 8 and 7. So they actually have, I don't know if that's going to show up very well, but there's actually like a ruler embossed on it, so I know where to cut. We're going to Okay, so as you saw, I just got those placed. They're not hard mounted yet or tightened down. I just want to kind of go over how I placed them and why I placed them where I did. Now, I put them right in line with the B-pillar for two reasons. One, it's easy to line up both sides. I know it's straight, it's not crooked. Two, this little overhang here, as you can see, obviously is going to stick out over the edge of the car. I don't want the customer to be hitting their head on it if it was over here further every time they get in or out, or have to worry about it or anything of that nature. So that's why that's where that is, along with the rear. I put it back just far enough also so that you can still get in and not hit your head. You don't want anything in that region at all. So now all we have to do is go ahead and tighten them down and we're good. Alright, we've got her wrapped up. She's 100% installed. We went ahead and put little locks on just so they can't get to any of the hardware because, well, people are kind of weird and they'll take anything if it ain't bolted down. So, she's good and tight. She looks alright. Clean. It's pretty much in line when you look down the side. Got the same width sticking out, so looks pretty good. So this system, this Delta profile kit, was actually pretty good. Easy to use. Instructions were pretty clear for the most part, but the Menabo unit is highly recommended. And like I said, I'll be putting the part numbers in the description below for this stuff, which will help you if you have a 2019 Kia. Well, that's going to wrap her up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.